Okay, let's talk about a correlation that was discovered in the 1990s that relates the black hole mass to what's called the stellar velocity or the stellar velocity dispersion. So here we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 galaxies. And in these galaxies, they were able to measure the mass of the black hole, and that's plotted on the y-axis. Let me pull my laser pointer. So the black hole mass is plotted here. So this is 10 to the 6 solar masses in this galaxy. Here's our galaxy, the Milky Way, some 4 million times the mass of the sun. And so you see that ours is not an active galaxy. So you have some active galaxies in here, I think. I think M87 was on here. It's a combination of different galaxies, but in every galaxy here, they were able to measure the mass of the black hole at the center. And so here you see a mass in both of these two galaxies of about more than 1 billion times the mass of the sun. And maybe this is M87. This is an old measurement, but M87 was the black hole in M87 was imaged recently, 2019, and it came to about 6.5 billion solar masses. So it really should be 2, 3, 4, 5, should be 6.5 right about there. So maybe there's a data point here that we're not seeing. So, well, this is actually an old plot, so it wouldn't be there. So, but that's where it is currently measured at. So black hole mass, and then separately here we're dealing with how to describe this sort of random velocities of stars in different directions, unrelated to the, well, unrelated here, there's a correlation, but these velocities are just in random directions. They don't seem to be related to the pull of the black hole. They are, in fact, too far to feel the gravity of the black hole. So they don't notice the presence of the black hole, yet we see this correlation. And over time, this has been built up to many more objects, and we're starting to see the M sigma relation at higher redshift, and we'll be discussing this. It's a very important correlation. We'll try to explain how it is that black holes and galaxies, in this sense, in relation to random velocities of stars, how do they know about each other? What's the physical connection here? And we'll have to try to explain this because it's very puzzling that they can't feel the gravity of the black hole, yet there is this correlation. So we want to get at the physical origin of this.